But we are from competitive exam, right? And we know how many questions are there in 2014-15 when most of the exams were a written exam that was not online, offline exam. The total number of questions were 200 questions, right? Sure. And you know, for every right answer, we had 1 mark. If a student is scoring per answer, giving right answer, that is, he or she is getting one mark for every right answer. But for wrong, it was -1/4, that is -0.25. Alright? Okay, my question says, we have 200 questions. A student attempted all the questions. This is from our competitive exams only. When it used to be offline, then we had right answers. For every right answer, student is scoring +1 mark. For every wrong answer, student is scoring -1/4 or 0.25 minus. Right? Now, he attempted all the questions. A student attempted all the questions and he scored 120 marks. We are curious to know, if someone scored 120 marks, he attempted all the questions, how many of the questions he had answered were right and how many were wrong. Right? We have to find out number of right answers given and number of wrong answers given. We have different ways to solve it. Right? You can easily go through your aptitude. It will take time, 3 to 4 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. Some of the students, they use X and Y equations to solve it. That is, for every right answer, they will take it as X, and for wrong answer, they will take it as Y. But why to solve it if we have a very good concept, that is mixture and alligation? What is this? This 120 is a mixture of right plus wrong. You agree? I'll take a very simple example. Look, we'll not go to 200 questions. We will solve this by using a very small method. We'll go through first example, that is, we have 10 questions, right? For every right answer we have +1. For every wrong answer we have -1/4. Just we can easily understand by this question. If a student gave 6 right answers and if he gave 4 wrong answers, if 6 were right, then with +1 he scored 6 right answers, right? 6 mark. But what about this? For every wrong answer he is getting -1/4. For 2 he is getting 1/2 minus. For 3 he is getting -3/4, and for 4 he is getting 1 mark negative. That is -1/4. So this 6 plus -1, what is this? 5 marks. So now all of the students who are watching this video, they will agree that this 5 is mixture of right plus wrong. So with this small example, we'll go to a big question, that is 200 questions. Right 1, wrong -1/4, and total number of marks, he got 120 marks. Now, if this is a mixture of 120 marks, mixture right and wrong, let's take an example. If he gave all the answers right, we had 200 questions, dear students, we had 200 questions, he gave all the answers right, how much he will score, how many marks he will score? That is +200. Right. If by mistake all the questions were wrong, answers given were wrong, don't take it 0, because we have negative marking. We will not take it as 0, because for every wrong answer he is scoring minus 0.25 marks. Then if he will give all the answers wrong, his marks will be, now it is clear. For every right answer, giving all the answers right, he will score 200. For every wrong answer, giving all the answers wrong, he will get minus 50. And this is right and wrong mixtures, we have 120 marks. Now it must be clear. Because 120 marks is a mixture of right and wrong answers given. Now, if we subtract it, look at this, 200 minus 120, he will get 80 with the mode, right? Now look at him. If we subtract minus 50 and 120, look at this, minus 50 minus 120, don't take it 70. It is minus and minus with the mode, it will add these numbers with a minus sign. This is minus 170 with the mode. This is 80, right? Now, this will be positive. 170 ratio 80, 17 ratio 8. He gave 17 right answers, and with every 17 right answer, he is giving 8 wrong answers. 17 and 8. Look at this. He gave 20. If he gave 25 answers, then 17 were right, 8 were wrong. But he gave 200 questions. He gave 200 answers. How to make 200? By multiplying it by 8. We will multiply here 8. 8, 8, 64. 136. Very simple. Hardly 30-40 seconds to solve this question, and we are getting 2 marks out of it within 30-40 seconds.